Manipur Rajbari Maramli Turkami Shokhaira. Sem Galui Kushidli Yang Sankhawai State Shokarna Committee Semhaira. District Wikare Ukrul Press Club Targat Kahaira. Lake Yangator, Tangkhul Express Pvt Bao, Rinyaophi Mahak Ningshen in a Pamidale, Bao Ping Mai Saina and Hangrumsa. Manipur Rajbari Maramli General Administration Department at Turkami Shokhaira. Shim Semgaka Yang Sankhawai State Shokarna Committee Semhaira. Atam jiwe aman kasak thaida Manipur Shokarna Infrastructure Development of Heritage Complex Rajbari Shillongda Comprehensive Project Kayakha 2020 kum tuidak kakwinaji. Detailed project report TPRG Planning and Development Authority PDA Manipur na semda Northeastern Council NEC Government of India li misang NEC na TPRG 2023 marangachang mayami aji. TPR li component kani akana guest house kasem kala akana exhibition hall or gallery reconstruction or restoration hinaji. Rajbari building ji jamla khauda dilapidated condition aina lehaira the component kakhani exhibition hall gallery reconstruction restoration ji kwigana da hanga. Infrastructure development at heritage complex Rajbari Shillong wi ochi MS Meite Construction Limited li 2023 kumia guest house kasem ochi 2024 kaying gajang hapokta gupki chihaira da sarkar na hanga. Jithada Meite Construction LTD na component kakhane hapok vai shim jiwi dilapidated party phaikadana ka structural elements khangazan wuivang shimwi parts kadela chatta haura chhauda structure ji saikoro phaita ka haina kalaji manually with due gear sayagaji sarkar na hanga. Thing kamong cherfu wall pallets hikatha hi shijin mikhavai mathalak eina haidalei da hanga. Kajama structure ji photographs kala videography kuida mathalak eina document sa ka haina da hangsanga. Ara historic building we abam jili ot kasa ngasam jaw haira da hanga. Kala shimji semkalu shit kajili yang sankhawai monitoring and supervision committee semhaira. Committee jina jiwi ot kasaji monitor kala supervise the historical features dimensions kala historical record photographs jiwi athishuda sanga sakra hanga. Committee jina heritage conservation expert pinglila ngasan paya gachi hanga. Rajbari Redland Building Shillongli Manipur Bhavan Kasemli Yang Sankhawai Monitoring and Supervision Committee ji Mohut Director Nongam Udam Singh German Sada Art and Cultural General Administration Department Manipur Archaeology kala PDA we Zangda Committee jili mi phanga zanga. Tangkhul journalism kala media luiramli phaikar Kakhui Jitaida Kare Ukrul Press Club UBC Shohaira. Ukrul Press Club Chi Aya Tangkhul Nakalong with President Swart Vashumna Winotang Ukruli Thargat Kamia Thargajikat Angran Angi Chili Ukrul District Working Journalist Association Ujwa we Mibingala Gadailing Soda MSPDCL Ukrul Deputy General Manager Akui L Shimrela Vazanga. Ujwana Pau Mikashok Atishurda Association G 1998 kum Semkuya. Association Jina Paikar Kakui Manga Aina Achi District Hiwi Kare Press Club Kui Kara Samkapangna. Ukrul Press Club Lega Hai Yarili Matamida Otram Ngatsu Kavai Kala Ot Sakavai Common Space Kuirada Hi Ukrul District Press Fraternity Wuivang Kamataya Paikar Ngasaya. Ukrul Press Club Sem Kakui Hili Katom Kami Pingli Ujwana Ningashi Pongshoka. Ngajon Kami Katom Kami MLA Kushim Vashum DIG Ningshen Vashum Entrepreneur Yigring Kont Ramung Ukrul BWDEE Garnish Kashung Ukrul MSPDCL DGM Akui L Shimre Ukrul PHED EE Temre Shang Mare Snabadi DFO Shangam Shaliwo Ukhrul DFO Leishram Gidla, Ukhrul Headquarter FRO ASP Jermin Shand Kala, Ukhrul District Hospital MS Dr. Ray Sangmi Raikant Atumli Ujwana Ningashi Pongshoka. Ajugum Manipuri dengue cases Chungsangda meeting Kani Shakatum Tumrada Kani Gada positive Shokhaira Kala Aka Tihaira Machine State Health Department with official report na Kahangna cases Chithara Wina Hopokda Tatraha Tarik Trada Aka Wea Lungli take a queen Jiwi Alungli stately 5,613 samples test saya 2024 kum eina ngadamaka thank you gagazahi ajgum 971 cases chung sangkhamainada India Today Northeast na report sai cases chung mai tuida kathaihi Imphal West districtly 1679 kaya Imphal Eastly 363 Bishnupurli 68 Thobal districtly 63 kayaji thank you wena kathi akaji Bishnupurli kashokna Kaphungshong Senapati Jungmai Twida 45 cases, Ukhruli 23, Churajanpurli Katum, Kangpokpili Khani Taekwiaji. Cases Chungasanghi, Tur Kachang, Angret Sangkamei, Kalatir Kangarung Wiena, Hachang, Parukavai Pam, Khalei wuivang na health authorities na Paninga. Thank you Makaza, Kavai official Pina Yarili, Kasata Apam Tarda Hai Kavai, Terungarung Kapam Malengasa Kavai, Hajangri, Singkavai Kala, Kangkant Singkavai Hanga. Ukhrul districtly Khalei license holders Kala licensed arms dealer saikorana Kachachawi license copy Misang Kavai, Shogarna Zizikami Shokaira. Secretariat Home Department na Zizikami Athishurda license holders Kala license arm dealer saikorana atumwi license with self-attested copies misang pulungra jihaira gachi sub deputy collectors na jishathaira. Prescribed format ina nga soda designated local police station li license copy ji ngapai November tarik thrada kathum welungli misang khawai atam mihaira. Chilima misangaka license cancel sami hai payeda sub deputy collector na Zizikami shoka. Shongfu Kala Shadli Kangasun Maramli State Level Workshop Imphal Eastli Rungmihaira. Workshop G Electronic Detailed Accident Report EDAR Cashless Treatment of Road Accident Victims Scheme 2025 Kala Compensation of Victims of Hit and Run Vehicles Accident Scheme with Maramli Kasana. Angranangi G Aya Institute of Driver Training and Research Center ITTRC dropped Dusara Imphal Eastli Kwikaya. Workshop to Transport Department, Government of Manipur na National Informatics Center, Manipur State Unit Lingshikda, Makok Kamina. Manipur Chief Wildlife Warden and Additional Chief Secretary Transport TCI, PCCF and HOFF, Anurag Bajpai na Masowa Sada Bazanga. Science and Tech Secretary, State Health Agency, Manipur CEO, IAS, Kengu Zuringla Kala, DIGP, State Police Nodal Officers, EDAR, IPS, Jogesh Chandra, Haubijam, Anina Khayawa Sada Vazanga. Anurag Bajpai na Kamaduli, Electronics Detailed Accident Report, EDAR Kala Cashless Treatment for Road Accident Victims Scheme 2025 Wikan Kanahanga. Anurag Nakahang, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Report Athishurda 2023 li India li Shongfu accident 4.80 lakhs shoka. Manipur Mangli Zadraga Hai Zingum Shini Walungli Shongfu accident Tingutum Langda Shokhaira Shongfu Kala Shadli Mi Sajishat Tumrada Matigada Tisanghairachi. Shongfu accident to Enekati national average mortality rate 9.3% na. Manipur rate 29% national average li Jungmei Kardalei da Manipur road safety li Ninga Creek Pongshokhaira. Chi Thaida scheme ji madailak ina implement kasa darkar salak da Anurag Bajpai na kasatsanga. Redlands Laitum Kra Shillongli Khalei Manipur Rajpari Sada Kahaili Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MBCC na Makamya Pongshokhaira. MBCC President K. Megachandra Singh na Congress Bhavan Imphal Press Kazibli Kahang Maharaja Bodhajendra Singh na Shillong Shimjun Sakasa Manipur Merger Agreement Shoi Kasapam Rajpariji Manipur Nauping Wuivang Hakla Kahai Historical Political Kala Emotional Significance Layam Chigata Heritage Site Sakashimanji Pyomikabai Maning Manada Mekajandra Nahanga Maram Wuivang India Kala Meghalaya Shokar with third Kami Pohaira Kala Bamji Heritage Monument Sada Ngakhui Kavai Paikar Kwikami Pohaira MBCC President China Kahang NBP Hila NDA ruling partner Sada Hiwi responsibility Eina Mayam Baimana Kala Manipuri political to short road Kamratli PJP lead double engine government we Eina Karana Jili Center Kala state level Kaninili NBP we Gatom Zangada State Congress Kathana China Pianhaira Kongman Gram Panchayat Li Jal Jivan Mission JJM Ot Mathata Makasa Purhaira Kongman Chibili Anganwadi Centers Magadashini Kala Primary School Matili JJM Mui Ot Gupsang Haira the official record li Zanga Scheme Juwazing Li Lubalak Panga Sampangaji Ka Anganwadi workers Kala Primary School teachers Tarakana Kajangkat Khalei Pongshok da Atungwi Centers Liter Connection Mamilak Mana Project Chui Maramli Jan Paula Masampang Mana Jihaira Official JJM record li Gazang National Children's School Lila Functional Water Tap Akhala Malay Mana Jihaira Official list li Gazang Kongman Chibiwi Abam Tumra da Aka Paper Mangli Gazang Nasahawa the project execution li Kanghan Lehaira National Pingli ka third mikhavai mikhavai fund shijin wida scheme ji Manipuri scam hak mai thui ka ji nga sahaira ka ji phen haira zadra ka hai atam ni Manipur we apam nga tatai dali JJM ot sahaira da record salaga ka changkhat li masala le ka sa pau shock ka phaira JJM li makhamashung shock da khalei maram MP Dr. Akhoi Jam Bimol nala makhamya phongshok haira Khongman Gram Panchayat Pau hi IT News Eina Sam Kapangna Latluita Ajiwi Kamataya Pau Ping Manipur Rajbari Maramli Third Kami Shokhaira Semgalui Kashidli Yang Sangkhavai State Shokarna Committee Semhaira District Wikare Ukrul Press Club Targat Kahaira Ajowi Pau Hiling a Janghaira Pau Nadak Nathum saikorali Ringapha Kalakam Hai Zimik Shong Sa Serani